OSDU is delivering a vendor-independent data ecosystem and thereby transforming our industry. Halliburton Landmark is committed to OSDU to deliver tools for managing data, as well as seamlessly operating DecisionSpace 365 cloud applications on the OSDU platform. Given the sheer volume of E&P data and the need to continuously enhance its quality, the ingestion process into OSDU needs to be high throughput, low latency, and self-cleaning. This enterprise data management can sound like a daunting prospect, but it doesn't have to be. With automated pipelines and intelligent workflows, data quality can be checked, validated, enhanced, and readied for efficient storage and accessed within OSDU, thereby delivering trustworthy data to geoscientists and engineers. Landmark's tools are modular, open, and plug-and-play. Using agile data ops patterns as a foundation, Landmark and AWS have worked together to further enhance the OSDU platform by combining Landmark's deep expertise in E&P and AWS expertise in cloud technologies. These enhancements are being contributed back to the OSDU community. For example, here we demonstrate the preparation and enrichment of log data for ingestion into OSDU. This intelligent automated workflow reduces the need for manual human intervention. The new architectural additions have been contributed to OSDU to support the new binary storage capabilities to enable performant access to the metadata, file data, and high-precision measurement data for log curves. The workflow starts with uploading files using a simple self-service interface. Machine learning is used to predict metadata based on previous results and runs quality checks for completeness, validity, and duplication. This helps ensure that data of good or known quality is available to users in petrotechnical applications, including AI ML models. Once prepared, the data is ready to be submitted into OSDU as a system of record. A manifest is created with the enriched metadata, QC metrics, and original last DList files, as well as the extracted log curve measurement data. So now we have quality data prepared and ready to go, we need to start putting that data to work. Data can either be ingested directly into OSDU or can be registered from external systems. By dynamically registering data from EDM and OpenWorks, users can continue working with the applications they know and love, like Digital Well Program, a DecisionSpace 365 cloud application, as well as simultaneously integrating with third-party applications for end-to-end workflows. With a rich set of data available in OSDU, we can start utilizing that data to create new value-adding capabilities. One such example is ROP prediction and drilling optimization in real-time well engineering, another DecisionSpace 365 cloud application, which takes the cleansed log data and drilling parameters. Here you can see data being queried via the OSDU search APIs for binary data, as well as the drilling data via Jupyter Notebook to experiment and build a new AI ML model. We'll start with querying the OSDU master records to retrieve the well and wellbore that were used in the previous two demonstrations. After selecting the wellbore, we query for the associated registered targets. With the retrieved data, we are ready to utilize delivery APIs to retrieve the URL and query for the full data to ensure we are getting the most accurate, updated data. Now that we have our targets, we want to query for the newly ingested log curves for the same wellbore to correlate the data. With the new binary storage and API, we're able to quickly visualize the log curves in our Jupyter Notebook to build the models. Models that are built on Jupyter are now running on Geoscience Suite, a DecisionSpace 365 cloud solution, and this new data can be used for automated well correlation and assisted lithology interpretation. Landmark, along with its partners like AWS, are excited by the potential of future releases and new capabilities which we will collaborate on and deliver to the industry. Together, we're committed to partnering with our energy customers to understand their challenges with subsurface data and support them to fuel sustainable innovation. Since 2019, Landmark's cloud-native microservices and workflows have been and continue to be OSDU compliant. We have made an OSDU instance available publicly in our Open Earth community and created an OSDU reference implementation, which we continue to optimize for performance and scale, and contribute changes and enhancements back to OSDU. DecisionSpace 365 cloud applications run on OSDU, and the workflows you have seen today are just a glimpse of a much more comprehensive solution for borehole, seismic, drilling, and subsurface data that will help enable you to transition your data and applications on top of this OSDU release while enabling business continuity for your users. To learn more about how you can use Landmark Solutions and AWS to enhance and accelerate value of OSDU, contact us here.